All right, section 1.6, number 57. So if a bacteria population starts with 100 bacteria and doubles every 3 hours, then the number of bacteria after t hours is n equals f of t equals 100 times 2 to the t divided by 3. Okay. A says find the inverse of this function and explain its meaning. So what I would do is, this one's it's a real life problem. So I'd probably use n and t and just keep it that way. So I'd have n equals 100 times 2 to the t over 3. It always helps you guys kind of find the meaning if you leave it that way. So what I'm going to do is just get t by itself. So I divide by 100. So I have n over 100 equals 2 to the t over 3. Now I need to get t out of the numerator in order to find this. 2 options. You can use log. Actually 3 options. You could just use log on both sides. You could use log base 2 on both sides, or you can just use ln. I'm going to use ln. Okay, they all will work the same as long as you are using it the same on both sides. So I would have ln of n over 100 equals, now the beauty of logs and natural logs is you can take what's in the exponent and bring it in front. So I have t over 3 equals ln of 2. Not equals, times, bring it in front. Then I would go ahead and I'm working on getting t by itself. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 to get that out of there. So I have 3 ln of n over 100 equals t ln of 2. And then lastly, go ahead and divide both sides by ln of 2. So for A, my inverse, we would have 3 ln of n over 100 divided by ln of 2. That would be my inverse. And what does it mean? Okay, well, in my initial, we plugged in time and we got out n, the number of bacteria. Now, for this one, we plug in n and we get out t. So we can plug in the number of bacteria and get out how long it took to get that bacteria. So plug in number of bacteria, we end with, and get out time. Get out time. Okay. Then for B, it says, when will the population reach 50,000 bacteria? This is super nice. I could set this equation equal to 50,000, but then you guys would go through all the same steps. So I'm going to use my inverse because I know my n. So n is equal to 50,000. So I'm going to plug it in to my inverse equation to figure out the time. So t equals 3 ln of 50,000 divided by 100 all over ln of 2. So I'm going to type this in. I would recommend you type it in as well to make sure you can get the right answer. So 50,000. And you should get t is, I'm going to say approximately 26.897. And then my label, what is our time in here? Hours. So just over almost 27 hours and you'd have 50,000 bacteria when you only started with 100. So that is it for 57.